All right, multi-step conversions. You have to write a plan for converting a unit that you're starting with to a unit that you're ending with. And it's kind of like putting together a puzzle. You have to think about it. Okay, so if we're looking at student exercise 13, where I've asked you to convert 19.58 centimeters to meters, and you probably look at this and went, well, I can just do this as a one-step metric conversion. That's not what I want you to do here. I gave you the unit equations after the problem. I told you that I wanted you to use 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters and 1 meter equals 39.37 inches. Okay? So, if you look at this, and you've done stuff like this before in math, it's just been a while, okay? You have to recall the information that you learned in math because knowledge is cumulative, and you have to apply it in my class. Here we have centimeters, okay? So since you can convert centimeters to inches, then that's probably what you should do first, okay? Then, if you've got inches, then you should probably look down here and go, oh, well, I can convert inches to meters. So there I have my two-step problem, okay? So you're going to write it as 19.58 centimeters to inches, and I'm going to do this in 2 separate steps, okay? So you can see it. The number 1 goes here, and the 2.54 goes down here. Centimeters is going to cancel, and I'm going to divide. So this is 19.58 divided by 2.54. And you're going to get 7.7. I'm just going to write out a few numbers. I'm not rounding off because we're not done yet. And we don't round off until the very end, okay, because your answer would not be accurate. Okay, I'm going to take the answer that I got here, and I'm going to convert inches to meters. So I'm going to take this and put it in the upper left-hand corner. And I'm going to convert inches to meters like this. So 39.37 inches is going to go on the bottom, and 1 meter is going to go on the top, because that's the conversion that I gave you. So now we're going to divide. So I'm just leaving the number in my calculator and I'm hitting divide, 39.37. And you're going to get 0.1958 meters. Okay? I started with 4 significant figures. I used a unit equation down here that had 4 sig figs and 39.37, and that's my answer. Okay? Now, if we go on and take a look at student exercise 14, it says a running track measures 255 meters per lap. The per is really an equal sign, so you may want to highlight that so it stands out. This really means 255 meters equals 1 lap. So there's the unit equation given in the problem in words. Okay? We're going to convert 10 kilometers to laps. So I'm going to put 10 kilometers in the upper left-hand corner. By looking at the unit equation, it looks sort of obvious that I need to convert kilometers to meters first and then meters to laps. So we're going to convert kilometers to meters. This is a one-step metric conversion that I taught you about in a previous video. We put the number 1 on the bottom next to the prefix, the power of 10 on the top next to the base. We're multiplying 10.0 times second E3. You're going to get 10,000 meters. I'm not following sig figs right now because I'm not done yet. Okay? Now we're going to take that answer and we're going to convert meters to laps. So you're going to put 10,000 meters in the upper left-hand corner here. We're going to put 255 meters on the bottom. And we're going to put 1 lap up on top. And then meters is going to cancel. We're going to divide by 255. You want 3 sig figs in your final answer. It's going to be 39.2 laps. And that's it. You are done. You are ready to go on and do the multi-step conversions worksheet. which looks like this. You have to show all of your work. I do not give credit if you do not have your work. So if you do your work on a separate sheet of paper, make sure you staple it, okay?